the first step and open the protective box. Second step, remove the calibration board from the device body and bottom and click the power on button. Third step, click on the screen calibration button to align the device with non-reflective objects, and then click on the black calibration button. Fourth step, take out the black calibration board, observe the numbers on the yellow label, and touch the device screen to select white. Hit it on the yellow label on the calibration board should be consistent with the numbers in the device. Click the yellow button to calibrate. Fifth step, return to the measurement interface. Click the yellow button to measure, and the measured data will be displayed as close to the value on the calibration board.